Hi there, my name is Preston. I am a certified skin therapist, a corneotherapist, a spa owner, and the owner of the Skin Discovery Shop. Now, I've been using PageFly for, I think it's been over 3 years now, and I'm really delighted by their platform and their service. I used to be a marketing manager, and I was looking to really customize my website so that it would really stand out from the host of other skincare businesses, even around the world. And I had a vision that I was worried I wouldn't be able to put in place because I'm not a coder and I do not have those skills to really customize my website in the way that I need to. But the platform is so easy to use that I was really able to make it very personalized to my brand and customize it in a way that really made it unique. Not only have I received so many compliments on my website, but I've even taken a step further by working with my dedicated team at PageFly, and they have helped me do any kind of customization that was a little bit above my skill level, and for that I'm really grateful. So if you are considering working with PageFly, I absolutely recommend it.